Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Deburau, and in today's video we're gonna have a look to Adplexity Spytool and how to use it. So let's have a look. Hey guys, and here we are on the Adplexity dashboard. You can see that you have different options from which you can choose. So here on the bottom you can actually see ads for mobile, desktop, native, push, e-commerce, carriers and IPI. We use mostly Adplexity for push traffic ads, which we're gonna go into in today's video. So let's jump to Adplexity account. So here we are inside the Adplexity dashboard. And here on the right side you can see the ads, and on the left side you have your search bar where you choose your parameters for your preferred search. So first it's filter, so you can go by days. Let's leave it for last 30 days for today's tutorial. So days running, so that's mean for how many days the offers were running. So which is gonna say to you up here. So this is 1 day, so it's running for 1 day. So the next is a device type, so you can choose from Android, so that's a phone, and Windows and Chrome, which is gonna be a desktop, right? So the next one is country, so you can select the country you would like to search, and you have many of them. So let's go forward. So the traffic source, it's the next one. So if you have an account on, let's say, Propeller Ads, and you're running your campaigns just there, so you can go and have a look what it's working per country for this traffic source. And here below we have the affiliate network. So again, you can select, let's say, your affiliate network where you have your account, and then check what kind of offers others run for this particular affiliate network. And if we scroll all the way down, we have the tracking tool. So that's mean that you can search by tracking software advertisers use. So these are all the options you can choose from. So probably we're gonna go by country, or you can go by traffic source, but mostly of the time you go by country. So you select your country. Let's say that you want to promote offers in Italy geo, so in the Italy country, and let's have a look what is working up there. So you're gonna click on Italy here, and it's gonna populate all the ads for Italy for the last 30 days, because we set the last 30 days up here for the time range. And these are all ads that are new. So to go to see what ads got the most traffic, you're gonna go here, received most traffic, or you can go for running longest, right? But we go with received most traffic to see what is working for that particular country. So let's do this and let's see what we're gonna find out. So here mostly of the times we try to figure out what kind of verticals actually works for particular geo, and after figuring out what verticals are working for that particular geo, then we will start to see what are the opportunities. So let's have a look and let's see what is working for Italy. So here we have probably some kind of casino or gaming, because it's saying guadagna 534 euros al giorno, which means per day. So it is something about casino, maybe could be even Bitcoin, so something that you can earn money. So the second one is Amazon, obvious, and it is pretty sure a sweepstake offer to win some kind of prize. So the next one is software which they can download. Here we have another Bitcoin, which is probably the same that the first one. And then we have another Windows update, so the software. Here we have a dating, PayPal, and then we have adult, dating, adult. This is again software, Bitcoin, dating, adult, So again, a software. Here we have some kind of diet, so weight loss, so Nutra. So we have a lot of adult and dating, so sweepstake up here again, Amazon, Samsung, so you can win a phone, so that's a sweepstake as well. So adult, so this is a post office, so it's probably a sweepstake. This one as well, so phone. So we have a lot of dating and adult. So here we have a sweepstake, so decathlon. So we have Amazon. So this is probably again Bitcoin again here. So you can see now that it is a mix of dating, adult, a lot of softwares to download, and some of sweepstakes as well, but mostly are softwares, dating, and adult, which is the main vertical up here for Italy. So this is the way how you're gonna figure out what is working for particular geo. And let's have a look to one example. So let's grab and let's go to this Amazon one. So let's see what we can find out here. So the country they are running is Italy, Denmark, and Nepal. So connections, Wi-Fi, and they are doing the Windows Chrome device, which is gonna be desktop, right? So here we have all the landing pages that we can have a look, and let's scroll down and let's see some characteristics up here. So add trend, so this is by days, so you can see for the last 30 days what is going on. So week trend, and then you have device type, so it is 100% Windows and Chrome because it's saying up here on the top. So let's go down. So we have publishers by duration and publisher by volume. So here you have the top 10 publisher by duration, which means for 25, which is the first one, is 25 days of running. And here on the right side, you have by publishers by percents. And if we scroll down, we have traffic sources by duration and traffic sources by volume. So you can see that they are running on reach push for 100%, which is pretty interesting. So you have some information that you can use from this example, and you can use it for your campaigns. So like you can download this icon and use it for your testing. You can download this image and use it for your campaign, or you can just mimic and do similar ads, and even better would be to actually improve it to make even better results. And the last thing that you can do here, you can actually have a look to the landing page. So let's grab one landing page and let's have a look what they have done. So let's go to this one here. All right, so they are actually using a pre-lender, which is pretty common. So let's go and let's click if it's gonna work. So similar, so here you have reviews, and here you have some kind of game that you need to open a gift box. So let's do it, and let's do that. So apparently we haven't won anything yet, so we have two more shots to try. So the second one and the third one we're gonna win anyway. So this one here, and we have win Samsung Galaxy S9. So here you can see the flow they're using for a sweepstake offer, which is win a Samsung Galaxy S9, but using the Amazon angle on the front of the ad, which is pretty interesting, right? And if we go back, so let's go back to Adplexity, and if you go here and click show more, so let's do that, it's gonna pop up this page where you can actually download this landing page and use it on your landing page provider. So we suggest to use Amazon WS. So what you're gonna do, you can actually download here and upload HTML render, and then you can use it for your campaigns. All right, so this is pretty much everything on the one offer example. So like I said, you can grab images, you can see the title and the description, you can grab the icons and the images, and here you can have a look to the landing pages they are using. Plus you can actually download the HTML render and then use it for your campaigns, which is pretty good what kind of informations you can get. So pretty much everything, right? So let's go back to the main dashboard. So up here, so this is how we suggest to use Adplexity for push traffic. So you can select the country you would like to run and then see what kind of verticals are actually working by selecting the received most traffic, and then try to mimic similar ads by downloading the icons and images and using some of these copies for your campaigns. So with that I mean titles and the call to action descriptions. So this would be everything for today's video. So the main thing was actually to show you the Adplexity dashboard and how you can actually search for the push ads, how to analyze the particular geo you are interested in, and how to actually extract the icons, images, the copy, and the HTML renders.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, Adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.